as our life extension, nanotechnology, quantum computing. I mean, all these areas are important and all have the potential to work together. I mean, say an advance in nanotech could give us what we need in order to make brain imaging work better, which would let us build brain-emulating AGIs. An advance in nanotechnology could let us build a better brain-computer interfacing device. So, I mean, I think all these future areas of technology have the potential to synergize together. I mean, just as we've seen in other areas. Look at, say, computers versus machine tools. I mean, better computers let us design better machine tools.
Yeah.
Better machine tools let you build better computers, and you always have this kind of synergy by means of which different kinds of technologies help to lever each other up progressively. And I think we will see that same sort of thing with a host of these currently futuristic sounding technologies during the next few decades.
Yeah, that's the whole law of accelerating returns in many respects, is those cycles that you pointed out there. The last couple questions here, one of which is out of my own curiosity and something I explore a lot. We've interviewed people in more the philosophy domain and also people more in the tech side of stuff, is assuming kind of the relevant increase in human potential, assuming whether it be, let's work on exoskeletons and making people stronger or more physically capable, living forever, massively more intelligent in so many other respects. You had mentioned more creative. As we gain these, as we gain these abilities, how do you see kind of humanity sort of still living and/or working together? Presumably, it almost seems as if our intelligence is increasing, that almost allows for kind of more tinkering with consciousness, potentially more domains or reason for conflict, whether it be direct or indirect. And if we all become infinitely more capable at the same time, it almost seems tough that the world and/or society and/or other people would be able to make it. What are your kind of thoughts on that in terms of how?
Well, I think that's an interesting question, because your intuition, as expressed there, is almost opposite of my line of thinking.
Interesting. Okay, go ahead.
One of the things I've been thinking that would come out of brain-computer interfacing is a kind of internet-mediated telepathy, in essence. If I put a brain chip in the back of my head, you have one in the back of your head, we could beam our thoughts and feelings to each other directly. So if you have human beings with their brains networked together like that, that would seem to enable both a level of empathy and compassion and understanding